हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचे मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 7 History Chapter 10 The Expansion of the Maratha Power Textbook Questions and Answers. Write the meaning. First, Chauthai. Answer, 1/4 part of the revenue. Second, Sir Deshmukhi. Answer, 1/10 part of the revenue. Question 2. Write the answers in one word. First, Balaji was from this town in Konkan. Answer is Srivardhan. Second, he ruled Bundelkhand. Answer is King Chhatrasal. Third, Bajirao died at this place. Answer is Raverkhedi. Fourth, he defeated the Portuguese. Answer is Chimaji Appa. Then, question number 3. Write about them in your own words. First, Kanhoji Agre. Answer is Kanhoji Agre was the chief of the Maratha Navy. He chose Maharani Tarabai's sides. He attacked areas which belonged to Shahu Maharaj. Shahu Maharaj appointed Balaji as Peshwa. Balaji was sent against Kanhoji. Balaji diplomatically turned Kanaji towards Shahu Maharaj's side. Next is the Battle of Palkhed. Answer is Mughal Emperor Farooq Sher appointed Nizam ul Mulk as the Subedar of Deccan. The emperor gave Marathas the right to collect Chauthai, Sir Deshmukhi from the Mughals. The Nizam was against it. Bajirao decided to attack the Nizam and he defeated Nizam at Palkhed near Aurangabad. Then next, third, Balaji Vishwanath. Answer is Balaji Vishwanath was a prominent Maratha Sardar. He hailed from Srivardhan, a town in Konkan. He was industrious and experienced. He convinced many Sardars to join hands with Shahu Maharaj. Kanhoji Agre, the chief of the Maratha Navy, was against Shahu Maharaj and sided with Maharani Tarabai. He was sent against Kanhoji. Balaji avoided the war and diplomatically turned Kanhoji towards Shahu Maharaj's sides. Next, Bajirao. Answer is after the death of Balaji Vishwanath, Shahu Maharaj made Bajirao Peshwa in century 1720. He expanded the Maratha Empire during the tenure of 20 years. Nizam, the Subedar of Deccan, did not allow the Marathas the right to collect Chauthai and Sir Deshmukhi. Bajirao attacked Nizam and defeated him at Palkhed near Aurangabad. Under the leadership of his brother Chimaji Appa, Bajirao sent Mallarao Holkar, Ranuji Shinde and Udaji Pawar to strengthen the position of the Marathas in Malwa. Mughal Subedar Muhammad Khan Bangush attacked on Bundelkhand. The king of Bundelkhand, Chhatrasal, requested Bajirao to help him. Bajirao defeated Bangush. The king Chhatrasal honored Bajirao on large scale. Then question number 4. Give the reasons. First, the two separate Maratha states were formed. Answer is there was a battle between Shahu Maharaj and Maharani Tarabai for the throne or Gadi. Shahu Maharaj won the battle and captured Satara. He got himself crowned and Satara became the capital of the Maratha kingdom. In 1710, Maharani Tarabai declared her minor son Shivaji as a Chhatrapati at Panhalgarh. Since then, a separate state of Kolhapur apart from Satara state came into existence in the Maratha Empire. Second is, Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody. Answer is, Azam Shah thought that if he released Shahu Maharaj from his custody, then there will be a fight between Maharani Tarabai and Shahu Maharaj for a throne of Chhatrapati. The Maratha power will become weak and therefore Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody. Third, Delhi Darbar needed the help of Marathas. The answer is, Mughal Empire was threatened by the northwest Irani and Afghani attacks. Local kings like Pathans, Rajputs, Jats and Rohillas also posed a threat for them. The internal competition and tussle in Dai court also weakened the Mughals' power. Hence, Delhi Darbar needed the help of Marathas. सो अशा प्रकारे इथे आपण क्लास 7 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर 10 एक्सपान्शन ऑफ द मराठा पॉवर टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. पुढच्याही चॅप्टरचे क्वेश्चन्स आन्सर महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनलवर लवकरच अपलोड होतील. तोपर्यंत नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला आणि चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.